Hello mga ka-howdy! So nandito tayo ngayon sa Shady Grove Park na malapit sa amin. Ito yung park na pinupunta namin. And then, nag-usap kami ng kaibigan ko na si Michelle na magkita para mag-walking kami around the park. Kasi, you know, stay healthy para maging alert and active mom palagi. And, konting story time lang. Nung dumating ako dito sa Texas year 2019, at saka first kong ginawa, every time na makakasalubong ako na Filipina, tinatanong ko kaagad, "Are you a Filipina?" And then na-trauma ako kasi yung ibang mga Filipina na na-meet ko, pero hindi dito sa amin ha, sa parang mga big town na Arlington or Dallas, hindi nagsismile. Siguro nasanay na sila na may kiroon silang Filipina na nami-meet. So minsan na lang ako nagsisay hi kasi inaano ko muna, pinapakiramdam kung mabait. So yan. And then this past few years may na-meet din naman ako na Filipina. Kaya lang malalayo sila. So, mabuti. Talagang pinag-pray ko ito, guys. Sabi ko, kasi pinag-pray ko talaga ito, guys. Kasi, last time sabi ko kay Claude, sana kahit isang kaibigan lang na malapit para, you know, makapag-usap. Kasi, bilang mom, stay-at-home mom, iba rin yung may kaibigan ka na makaka-relate ka. So, yun. And, last year, nakilala ko siya sa Facebook, parang gathering ng mga Filipina yon. So yun, nandito na siya, guys. Nandito na siya. So tayo, labas na tayo, guys. Habang nagwo-walking kami ay may nakita kaming mga white-tailed deer. Kaya huminto muna kami at nirecord ko.
Magpakaon kami
kasama pala namin ang anak ni Michelle na babae na si Emily.
Hindi na sila ang lalaki. Ang back nila. Aggressive. You see the deer?
Nasundo ko na sa school ang dalawang bata. After kong i-check ang school folder ng dalawang bata, ay chine-check ko kung may homework si Mercurion. At mabuti na lang ngayon ay nasanay na siya at siya mismo ang gumagawa ng kanyang mga gawain para sa school. 2 5 1 2 3 4 5. Zadka, come here. I got this. Hey guys, we are at Berkshire's again. Next, Q. Where's the baby Q or small letter Q? This one or this one? Okay, connect. No, this one. Okay, next, R. This one? Or this? R. Good job. Next, S. This one or this one? Big baby S and mommy S. Good job. How about big T? Where's a small T? Great job. Yay! To its baby U. Wow. How about V? Good job. How about capital big W? Look first before you make your line. Okay. Next, X. Capital big letter X and small letter X. Good job. How about Y? Oh, look, where's Y? Baby Y. Good job. Z. Yay! Good job. Mommy will check. Yay!
Career day in school. Mercury's wearing astronaut. Zach's wearing doctor, animal doctor. I love you so much. Have a great day.
Hello guys. So kanina pumunta na sa school yung dalawang bata at professional career day sa school. So nagsusuot sila ng mga kanya-kanyang career profession attire. So si Zadkiel yung vet at si Mercury naman is astronaut. Nahirapan ako kanina, mabuti na lang naging okay. So, katatapos ko lang kumain ng breakfast and I'm heading outside. And samahan niyo ako, pupunta tayo ng Pedia Clinic para mag-request for medication refill para sa dalawang bata. So, si Zadkiel meron eczema, so meron siyang gamot, ointment na nilalagay. So, si Mercury naman, vitamins niya. And, para siyang Leucovorin. Yan. So, mag-request tayo ng, ito yung form na binigay sa akin ni Claude. And then, ifo-forward ko lang sa clinic. And then, after that, punta tayo ng Walmart. Kasi, check ko lang kung meron silang mga fall clothes doon. Kasi, plan namin pumunta sa pumpkin patch tomorrow. So, wala na akong time mag-order sa Shein pa kasi matagal yung kanilang delivery, lalo na ngayon na may mga tariff and all that. So, yun guys. Done preparing guys. Ito yung aking palang bag, my go-to bag kasi malaki siya at pwede pa siyang lagyan ng mga baby bottle, yung mga bote ng dalawang bata at mga diaper at saka wipes. So, yan. Pero ngayon, manipis lang siya kasi walang laman. So, punta na tayo, guys. Nag-decide ako na umalis ngayon para maaga pa tayo makabalik. So, make sure na na-lock ko yung, or na-turn off yung mga ilaw, yung stove, at saka, gas ring. Ayun, stove. Hold on, guys. Off, 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 off. Yan. Nagkaka-anxiety ako kapag ganun. So, and make sure na dala ko yung form na isisend ko sa clinic para magkuha ng refills. So, mabuti na hindi na kailangan magpa-check up. So, kapag may gamot na prescribe na dati, no need na for another check-up, refill na lang. Pwede na sana silang tawagan through phone, kaya lang, nung Friday, walang sumasagot. Yun lang yung disadvantage or yung bad review sa Facebook na yung number ng clinic walang dial tone. So, yun guys. Pili muna natin yung mga trash bins kasi today is Friday. As you can see, yung weather is cloudy. Yung trash day namin dito is Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday kapag trash lang. And then Friday trash at saka recycling. Wait guys. Ilagay ko muna siya dito sa likod. Request for a refill. Okay guys, so they received the request form and then sabi ng nurse doon, ilalagay lang niya sa chart ng dalawang bata. And what the good thing about it is diretso na lang yun sa aming pharmacy kung saan kami kumukuha ng aming mga gamot. So right now we are heading to Walmart. So we're here at Walmart. Din ko yung umbrella kasi mukhang uulan, just to be sure. After ko sa Walmart, may konting oras lang ako para kumain ng lunch at maglinis ng bahay, bago ko sunduin ang dalawang bata sa school. I got it. Thank you. Bye. At dahil left overnight namin ngayon at hindi ako gumawa ng dinner, gumawa ako ng gluten-free chocolate chip cookie. Dun-dun-dun. Ang programang ito ay rated Ang programang ito ay rated S. Ang kailangan maaring may temang karahasan. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Ang programang ito ay rated na may-aaring may temang karahasan.
This is a mama.
Boys, where are we? Pumpkin patch! Yay! Zach, go say hi. Here, Mercurian, look here. There's more here, Zad. Babe, can you grab Mercurian? Oh, okay. Let's go to the other side. Show. On your way, babe. You pass first.
Thank you.
Oh, you feed walk this way. Zad, come here.
Follow me.
Sis? Can we use that? Here. I guess this way, babe. Look, Zad, look. Don't put your hands, just hold like this. Oh. Hey, don't be rude. Hi, Zakiel. What's up, Zad? Hi guys, we are in our 3rd year here in Jackboro Pumpkin Patch. This is the boys' 3rd time. Hi Mercurian! Hi Daddy! So meron silang hay rides dito, hay rides. And then pupunta kami dyan mamaya. Meron din silang parang axe, face painting, and then corn, parang corn maze. Yan. Meron din sila guys ganito, parang what do you call it? Corn pit. Corn pit. Yeah. Yeah. We are waiting for the hayride. American, are you sleepy? You cover brother with corn, Sad? Is it nice? Is it nice, boys? Where's the corn, Zed? Here we have to wait, Pops. We'll see if we can fit, but if not, we can wait to the next one. Are you waiting, boys? Zachary! What's that, Zach? Arcurian. Chicken's head. Chicken. Okay, so we're done with hayride. Taking a break. Zakiel. So we got lemonade and some sausage on stick.
Good boy.
Mommy first. Oh. Your turn. Your turn. Pick one. Oh no, be careful. Oh. Any help? Are you done? Do you want to go through the... You want to go to Daddy? Which one do you want? Go right. Oh, puddle, puddle. Put your foot on the puddle.
You're missing a pedal, sissy. See? Want to try this one?
Zato will show you. I'm Mercurian.
It's like a push car. See how AJ's doing it? That one's cute.
Stop, stop. You have to watch out.
No, it's not moving.
Oh, you see the... Is that ducks? Oh, I want to take... Hi, Mercurian. Sit down, sit down. Are you gonna get Ray sad? He won't sit. Sit down, Bubs. Sit down. Sit down. All right, he doesn't want. Huh? What? Yeah. Hi. Sad.
Wow, Mercurian. He goes on back the horse. Good boy, yeehaw! Yeehaw, Mercurian. Yeehaw! Yeah, yeehaw! Wow. Which one do you down? Okay.